Hi and welcome to this tutorial where we will briefly discuss about the Paperguide AI tool. In this video, we will discuss all the way by which we will use the Paperguide for our study. You can see I am on the homepage of Paperguide and I already signed in my account. You can take a look on the left bottom. Here is my account. So this one is the first interface which you will see when you will look for the first time on Paperguide. On the homepage, you will see 4 types of different options: AI search, literature review, chat with PDF, and extract data. AI search means you just have to write your questions and it will answer you with the help of researching. It will search from the papers or from the Google and will write a brief answer of your question. Now I will click on the option literature review and we will check what is it. So basically with literature we will find top results paper. It's a little bit same as AI research, but it does not depend on the AI. It will depend upon the paper, means it will search from the Google or from any site, and will check the paper and will briefly explain the answer of your question. Now third option is chat with PDF. So here, if you have a PDF like your lectures and you want to get the key points but too much time taking, what you can do, simply click on the option select, and your computer will be open and select the PDF which you want to analyze, select that and import it. Once that will be imported in the Paperguide, then it will give you all the key points and main notes from your lectures, so you don't have to pay attention by yourself. The last thing is extract data. It's like when you will write something in the Paperguide. It'll also will help you in writing your essay or anything. Then you can extract that data with the help of Paperguide. So we will start with the AI research after my explanation. You can do the rest of these by yourself. In AI, I will write about atomic. What is atomic? And it will do a research and will give a brief explanation of the atomic. So let me write. After writing, click on this arrow. Now it will start researching on it, and it will take a while because it will analyze all the papers, which will be on the top of researches. So just be patient before it finish. Here you can see the option of language plus share. You can also select another language in which you want to get your answers, but for now my languages select correctly. And this one is the share. If you click on it, you can share the whole result of this Paperguide with your friends or with anyway. So here you can see, analyzes from the top relevant papers and from the top 10 papers. This one is the definition of atomic, and below you will get all the atomic modules like atomic spectra and much more. And if I scroll down, you will get a brief explanation. These are the references about atomic, its literature review, and it's from the top cited. This paper is among the top 5% of the most cited publication in the given field of study. And if I scroll down more, you will see multiple definitions of atomic. You can also add this in your references. Currently for this, no references is available. So in order to add, click on it. And here you can add it in your references. Now scroll up. We will go back to the home page of Paperguide. Now literature review. If I click on it here, you can see it's the same as AI, but it will search through the papers and give you the answer. You can see the option of chat with PDF. Click on it, and here you have to drop your files and let the Paperguide help you with your written documents. So basically, it's a very useful tool. Not only it can help you with the school projects or with your assignments, but it'll be also helpful if you're a teacher, so I will recommend you to use it by yourself. And that's it.